are my treasure. I read whatever I please. I'm here to tell you the treasure that you need. To learn how to read, you must know what words mean. My friend the princess has stories for you. They're all about words and what they mean. So here's the princess with a story for you. Listen carefully to her, then go get your hooks into books. Oh yeah!
Now we're going to visit for a moment Desmond the Dragon. He can remember everything, and he will review for us what we learned in our last episode. Take it away, Desmond.
Here I'm ready to breathe a little fire into our review of last time. We learned that the word different means that things are not the same. Things can look, sound, taste, feel, and smell different, or not the same. We use the word different when we get dressed in the morning. Sometimes our pants and shirt are different. When we go to school, we learn that words can be different. If they sound different, they do not rhyme. The words cat, big, and house are all different. They do not rhyme. They all start with a different sound. Later on, we will use the word different to know what does not belong in a group or category, and to do higher level thinking things, like make opposites and contrast. Boy, that sounds like a lot of work for just one word. Don't want to drag it on, so now back to the princess and the new story.
Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back to the garden. Today I have a story for you. It's about categories. Categories. Categories means putting things together in a group that are the same. See, I told you we would use that word same again. Category looks like this if you wrote the word. It's a very long word. Let's see how many parts are in that word. Category. There are 4 parts or 4 syllables in the word category. Do it with me again. Category. Category. Category means putting things in a group. Let me show you how we can use this. Let's look in our bird bath. In our bird bath, we have birds. A parrot is a bird. A flamingo is a bird. They can all come to the bird bath because they are a bird. The chickadee is a bird. The chickadee can come to the bird bath. The parrot, the flamingo, and the chickadee are all birds, and they can all come to the bird bath. Now, here's my friend the rabbit. The rabbit would really like to go to the bird bath, but the rabbit is not a bird. The rabbit is different. The rabbit cannot go with the birds because the rabbit is not a bird, and only the birds can go into the bird bath. Sorry, you'll have to go back to the forest and play. That's where bunny rabbits go. Let's look at some other examples of categories. These are pictures of furniture. Furniture goes in a house. A bed, a chair, and a table are all furniture. They all go in a house. There's that bunny rabbit again. Can a bunny rabbit go in a house? No. Bunny rabbits are not furniture. Bunny rabbits are animals. They cannot be in the group with the furniture. Categories mean putting things together that are the same. Now I'm going to tell you a story. This story takes place at children's homes. It happens during the daytime. That is the setting. The characters in the story are 3 children. We have Fred, Tom, and Chloe. The problem is their mother has been shopping all day long, comes home with a very large bag, and is going to need help to put things away. The children must know about categories in order to do the job. Let's see what happens. This is the family car. Mother has been out doing errands all day long. Errands are jobs, little work that mothers and fathers do on Saturday. Mom has been out doing errands, those little jobs. She has gone to so many places. Why, she went to Walmart and Kmart, and she went to the mall, she went to the Payless shoe store, she went to Publix, Winn-Dixie, Cash and Carry, Eckerd's, CVC, and Walgreens. She has had a hard day. She even stopped by Toys R Us. When Mom came home, she was carrying a very large bag, and this is what Mom said. Mom said, "I am so tired." What did Mom say? Oh, she didn't say it like that. Let's try it again, just like Mom said it. I am so tired. There you go. The little boy with the blonde hair that's all spiked, you got it. That's how Mom said it. She was very tired. So Mom comes up to the house carrying her very large bag, and she opens the door. There are the children. There's Fred, Tom, and Chloe. Fred, Tom, and Chloe started saying, "Hi, Mom. What's in the bag? What's in the bag? What's in the bag?" What did they say? That's right. They were very excited. They wanted to know what's in the bag. Well, Mom said, "Just give me a minute. I need to get my shoes off. I need to get a glass of iced tea. I just need to put my feet up for a minute. Then I'll show you what's in the bag. In fact, you can help me put the things away. But you have to know about categories. You have to know how things are the same and what group they go into." Have you learned about categories at school? Fred, Tom, and Chloe had all heard about categories, but I think they thought they were all about cats. So Mom explained again. She said, "No, it has nothing to do with cats. Category has to do with putting things together that are the same, putting things in groups. I'll help you, and you can do it." So Mom took a minute to rest. She had a glass of iced tea, and she said, "Now it's time to put things away." So she got her very big bag, and she said, "This is how we'll do it." Fred likes food. Fred loves to eat. Fred is drinking chocolate milk. There's an apple, potato chips, pretzels. Fred likes food. Food is anything that you eat. Tom likes toys. Toys are things you play with. If you play with it, it's a toy. Tom likes toys. He has a football, a truck, and a wagon. Tom likes toys, and toys are things you play with. Chloe likes clothes. Clothes are anything that you wear, and Chloe loves clothes. Chloe has a hat, a necklace, earrings, a pocketbook, a beautiful polka dot skirt, and orange shoes. Chloe loves clothes. Clothes are things you wear. So let's let the children help us put things away. Fred, you will put the food away. Tom, you will put the toys away. And Chloe, you will put the clothes away. Are we ready? Okay, let's start. Here is a shirt. A shirt is something you wear. If you wear it, it's clothes. Chloe, please put the shirt away for us. Here's a little baby doll. A baby doll is something we play with. If we play with it, it's a toy, right? So if it's a toy, Tom, will you put the baby doll on the toy shelf? Here's a can of spaghetti and meatballs. I just love to play with spaghetti and meatballs. It's my favorite toy. What? I hear some of my friends out there laughing. Oh, Kiki just told me what the problem is. We don't play with spaghetti and meatballs. This is something we eat. If we eat it, it's a food, of course. So, Fred, will you put the spaghetti and meatballs with the food category? Thank you. Here's a little truck. A truck is something that we can play with, right? If we play with it, it's a toy. So it will go in the toy category or the toy group. Tom, you like toys. Put it in the toy category for us.